Assalamualaikum students, welcome to your Mod 3 Maths class. Dear students, today we will solve sums of subtraction on copy. Students, what is the sign of subtraction? What's the sign of subtraction? It's the sign of subtraction. It's the sign of subtraction. Subtraction. It's subtraction. Subtraction means काटना. Okay, here are the sums: 6 minus 4, 3 minus 2, 8 minus 0 and 4 minus 4. Dear students, the second name of subtraction is also minus. Okay, now let's start. You have to solve sums. Here's the 3 number, here's the 6 number. You have to draw here 6 lines. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now you have to subtract 4 lines from 6. 1 2 3 and 4. How many lines remaining? 1 2 1 2. 2 lines are remaining. It means the answer is 2. So you have to write here 2. And another way is you have to open your fingers. Here's the 6 number. Then you have to open your 6 fingers and subtract them 4 number from them. Now you have to close your 4 fingers. And how many numbers remaining fingers? 1 2. 2 fingers are remaining. It means the answer is 2. Now here's the 3 minus 2. Subtract 2 number from 3 numbers. Okay, again you have to open your fingers. Here's the 3 number. Here's the 3 number. Now subtract 2 number from 3. 1 2. Remaining finger is 1. Only 1 finger is remaining. You have to write 1. 1 is answer. Okay, now again another way. 1 2 3. Here are the 3 numbers. 3 number you have to draw here 3 lines. And now cut the 2 lines. 1 2. Remaining line is only 1. The answer is 1. It means 1 answer. Now kids, it's your turn. Sums on your maths copy. Allah Hafiz.